What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing Captain America versus Iron Man, so let's jump into it. Captain America is a super soldier. He does have this, I wouldn't say unbreakable shield, but very, very strong, one-of-a-kind metal shield, and it comes back to him when he throws it, and it's really strong. I don't think Thor's hammer could break it, so it could probably knock off Tony Stark's armor, because it's way past that level. And Iron Man, all he really has is some iron armor, and Captain America has the shield where basically he could knock off his entire armor. And Iron Man, since he doesn't really have any power, I guess he could use his repulsor blasts and his chest heart beating thing, but still, Captain America would win just because his shield could knock off his armor, probably, and then all Captain America really has to do is knock him out and then just finish him off. So that's all Captain America really has to do. But Tony Stark, there is a possibility that he could win if he repulsor blasted him or lasered him, as you will see in this next picture, and it will probably pierce through his heart. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.